Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In the cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a giant brown bear. Cuddled up in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night wind sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls into the cave from a fluff of cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee sips, slurps. Hare burps big burps, but bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yams, perhaps we can share." "I bought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, let's dig in." As they nibble and they munch, with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel through the floor, through a wren and a raven, fluttering at the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Tweets wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear growls and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and grumbles. "You snuck into my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails with a groan, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with the delight. Then he spins his tail through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.